Ladies, how thrilling was it to watch and hear Oprah on the Golden Globes give us the most inspiring speech that we actually needed and we were longing for. So my question to you is, now that you have the inspiration, how do you have, or how do you get the self-confidence to take each day and be the woman you want to be? Because let's face it, all of the problems we've faced in the past, they just don't go away. So what happens is we have to develop self-confidence. We have to look at our inner critic and we have to understand that that is just a mistake. The way we think about ourselves is a mistake. So I am so excited because I am going to be giving a workshop with Jennifer Sherwood in Benicia, and we're going to talk about self-confidence, women, and how to look at your inner critic. Because the question is, you know the world is going to present you with obstacles. You know that the past is going to maybe have created some automatic responses. Your brain is going to want to keep you safe. But ladies, if it's our turn, and if it's not going to go back in time, we need to be able to get the confidence to speak up for ourselves, to speak up for each other. And to do that, you have to have a method to actually take care of yourself. So I am going to share with you on, let's see, we're going to be in Benicia in January 20th and 21st. We're going to have workshops to lift your life. And what we want to do is help you to be confident. We want to help you to step into that powerful woman that you want to be, that you know you are, but maybe you just don't have the practice. Because the one thing that we know is self-confidence, we're not born with it. We have to earn it. And how do we earn it? By showing up for ourselves, by sticking up for each other, by helping each other take one step at a time. We then develop self-confidence. And each time we take a risk, the confidence grows. And each time the confidence grows, we're willing to take yet another risk. And isn't that what we are being asked to do? We're being asked to step outside the quiet zone, step outside the safety zone, and really take on the world. So we have just the thing for you. Come to Benicia, come to the workshops, and you are going to see how you can take part in the current wave of women who are powerful. All right, we will see you then, and you can look down at the link where I will post about the workshops that are in Benicia, California, in Northern California. See you then. Come on, girls.